Welcome to your dream home right here in Carolina Park Riverside. This stunning exclusive home actually overlooks the gorgeous Bolden Lake for mesmerizing views from every angle. Come on, let's take a look. With 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, including dual masters, this home offers unmatched comfort and privacy. The pristine open floor plan seamlessly blends elegance and functionality, creating a perfect space for relaxed living and entertaining. Gather with loved ones in the formal dining area, exuding sophistication and charm. Upstairs, a large secondary family room provides additional space for leisure and recreation, accommodating various lifestyle needs. For cozy evenings, a fireplace graces the large screen porch, allowing you to unwind while enjoying the serene ambiance. Indulge in the tranquility of the saltwater pool, which can be heated or cooled, perfect for your year-round relaxation. The landscaped and hardscaped grounds create a serene outdoor oasis, including an outdoor kitchen. This luxurious residence caters to your every desire, combining thoughtful design with modern, distinct features, making it an idyllic haven for a discerning homeowner. Embrace upscale living with this extraordinary home, boasting a desirable location, captivating lake views, and an array of remarkable amenities. Elevate your lifestyle and make this magnificent property your own.